In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Interactive Brokers account to TradingView and start trading directly from the platform. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, having a seamless connection between TradingView and Interactive Brokers can really enhance your trading experience. So let's dive into the process step by step to get you up and running in no time. First, we'll begin by navigating to TradingView's website. So fire up your internet browser and head over to tradingview.com. Once there, you need to log into your TradingView account. If you're not already a member, you'll see some options to sign up, but if you are, just enter your credentials and let's move forward. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open a chart. This is where TradingView really shines, with its incredibly detailed and customizable charts. Search for the instrument you're interested in trading. This could be anything that piques your interest: stocks, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies. Type in the name or ticker symbol in the search bar and open the chart of your chosen instrument. The chart should load up quickly, offering you a visual feast of market data. You should now see several options below your chart. Look towards the lower part of the screen and you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and give it a click. This will open up a list of supported brokers that you can connect with. Within the trading panel, you'll spot Interactive Brokers. Go ahead and click on Interactive Brokers to establish a connection. This will prompt a login window to appear. Enter your Interactive Brokers username and password. For those of you who have two-factor authentication set up, you might need to complete that step to ensure your account is secure. Once you've logged in, TradingView will require authorization to access your Interactive Brokers account for trading purposes. This is an important step, so make sure to read through the permissions requested before granting access. Once authorized, this action links your accounts, allowing them to communicate with each other. Upon successful login, take a sigh of relief. You're nearly there. You'll now be able to view your Interactive Brokers account details, including your balance, directly within TradingView's interface. This is super handy for keeping tabs on your trading capital without switching between platforms. And there you have it. You're all set to start trading from TradingView with your Interactive Brokers account linked. You can now place orders, manage your open positions, and monitor your account all from within TradingView. This integration not only saves time, but also offers a more streamlined and efficient trading experience. Thanks for watching and happy trading.